Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm still up in Canada at the family's cottage, lake house, and I'm in the tool shed, and it's on solar power. So if you hear some ticking in the background, that is the timer for the light. I only have 30 minutes to do a painting before the lights go out on me. Of course, I can always turn it on again, but the lights might go out if I take too long. So I'm doing another Enso circle inspired by Soraya Silvestri art. I will link her channel in my description box below. She's a fantastic fluid artist. You should go check her out. Just 10 minutes ago, I finished the black negative space version. So I covered my canvas with a very thin consistency black paint, and then I drizzled some white, some grayish blue, some turquoise blue, and a little bit of olive green light. These are all Liquitex Basics colors. This time I'm going to do it the opposite way. Instead of a black negative space, I'm going to use a white negative space and then drizzle the black and then all of these colors also. So hopefully it's almost kind of like a yin and yang of my black version and the white version. So there you go. So I'm going to drizzle, I'm going to put down my white base coat. I'm going to drizzle some paints in a rough circle, kind of go around and around with the different colors. I'm going to use a swiping tool to swipe some bits to it, and then I'm going to use my straw to blow some bits out also. Hopefully leave lots of negative space. And on the black version, I splattered some, I did some flicks of white paint so it looks like little stars in the background. Just to make them match, I'll probably do the same with the black. I'm not sure, I'm not a big fan of that, but I'm going to do it anyway, just so that the two of them match. Yeah, so I'm going to put on some music for you, and let's have some fun. So here is the wet result. Once again, I just really love this. There's just something about a disorganized circle or a spiral or something like that that I just really, it just really appeals to me, and I love this. I love the extra little splatters that I left in, the big splatters that I left in the center here. I think they're really cool. I got some great motion. I used my finger to create some extra swipes this time, and I really like the motion that gave, and the blowouts with the straw. I was very careful to always make sure that they kind of curve in this direction. I only blew out in one direction. I love the highlights of that olive green light. Turned out fantastic. And now I don't know which one I like better. Which one do I like better, the black one or the white one? I think they're gonna look great on the wall together. I think this one turned out a little more balanced. Yeah, I think I like this one better. I hope you like this too. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, if you enjoyed it, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe and come back and see me sometime.